and gentlemen, welcome to Ireland and welcome to Dublin Airport. The time is now just approaching 15 minutes past 5, and as it will be a few moments yet before we reach your parking gate, and from time to time we are also requested to make some stops along the way, could we ask you to please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete standstill and the captain has switched off the engines and the overhead seatbelt sign and we have opened the doors of the aircraft. Please do check the seat pockets in front of you, the overhead compartments and the floor space around you for any of your personal belongings before disembarking, and please do be very careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items which may have become displaced during the flight could fall out and then subsequently cause an injury to you or to a fellow passenger upon reopening. Very shortly we're going to be handing you over to our uniform colleagues here in Dublin, and any questions or queries that you may have in regards to baggage delivery, on our flight connections or the facilities here in Dublin, they will of course be very pleased to help you. And don't forget of course that if you are making any future travel arrangements, to log on to our website at airlingus.com, where not only do we offer you great deals in airfares but also in hotel and villa accommodation, travel insurance, and also where our partners in Travel Hertz Car Hire offer some of the most competitive rates to Aer Lingus customers. We're also very pleased to announce two of our latest routes to the Aer Lingus network from Dublin, both flying to Stockholm and to Verona. And once again, for further details, please log on to our website at airlingus.com. With that, as our flight now draws to a close, it only leaves for me to say, on behalf of the captain and your entire crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus. It certainly has been a pleasure looking after you. We hope you've enjoyed your flight with us, and we of course look forward to seeing you on board many Aer Lingus services in the future. Mar sin a gwynosta har cawn o'n capon agus gachtain yn y ffyrdd tamid anabwyddiad gyda'n antarysio yn yw. Taswlwyn gan gos for a ceile siadreish galwa a mag an sha. Gyda'r Islam, gyda'r magwedd agus slán awalia. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you, and we wish you all a very safe and of course a very pleasant airwards journey. Slán awalia.